He who hesitates is lost, with dreams torn to pieces, apprehended by fear and delayed by forgotten feelings, lacking the strength and charisma. But when you reach a breaking point, you just break free. Freedom is complicated when simplified. In all the dedication, there is love and hate. Open your eyes and you shall see that is delicate, cause hate accelerates your passion and love ignites the strength you require. As life itself quenches the thirst to be the first, let's go down memory lane, sought success by enduring the pain. Let a Simba now grown, ready to be a king, as he was once a kid. In all the trials and tribulation of this game, you become something stronger and different.